As EV adoption accelerates, fast DC charging stations must be tested for safety, reliability, and performance. The Fluke FEV500 Fast DC EV Charging Station Analyzer is the industry's first all-in-one solution. Traditional testing requires multiple tools depending on the charger, opening the station, and often an EV on site. The FEV500 eliminates this complexity. All you need is this one device. It simulates electric vehicle when testing with an internal resistive load bank, so no additional load bank or electric vehicle is required on site. Safety tests are performed through a single CCS connector. This removes the need to open station panels, reducing exposure to high voltage. Tests include insulation resistance, continuity and load test, residual voltage, and IMD checks, all meeting IEC standards. Additional measurement includes slack and attenuation, verification of control pilot and CCS digital communication states. The intuitive touchscreen guides technicians with step-by-step workflows. AutoTest provides a sequence of critical tests with instant results. This takes the pressure off technicians, giving them clear, dependable answers in minutes. For deeper analysis, communication testing covers CCS charge state verification and power line communication. Error simulation verifies shutdown systems by creating safe fault conditions. TruTest software integration automates data transfer, reporting, and compliance tracking. The FEV500 also tracks unique station and cable IDs, simplifying asset management. Automated data capture eliminates manual entry, ensuring accurate, traceable records. Accurate reports reduce compliance risk and protect operators from liability. Designed with wheels and rugged casing, the FEV500 is ready for the field. Fluke FEV500, the new standard for fast DC EVSE testing.